Hello and welcome to the first video in this course. I am thrilled to guide you through the very first step in building your own profitable online business from scratch. This course is designed to deliver results quickly and you can set everything up in just 3 days. We are going to jump right in and set everything you need to get your website up and running, and that starts with the absolute foundation, which is choosing the right hosting company. Now, for those who are not already familiar with web hosting, think of it like this. Web hosting is like renting a space on the internet for your business. It's like renting a physical shop in a very busy market, but instead of a physical shop, it's all online. So a hosting company gives you access to their server space where you can store all your website files, images, content, everything, so that when people visit your website, you can access it 24/7 from anywhere in the world. In this section, we will choose the best hosting company that balances cost and features perfectly for our new online business. And my top recommendation for that is Hostinga. Not just because they are one of the biggest hosting companies in the world, but because their services and hosting plans is perfect for new online business. So the first thing we need to do is head over to hostinga.com or use the special link that is showing on your screen right now to unlock even more discounts. Once you're on Hostinga's website, you'll see that their cheapest hosting plan comes with a free domain name, free website migration, and 247 customer support. But most importantly, their basic plan comes with extra 3 months for free. To grab this offer, I'm going to click on claim deal to see what the plan has to offer. Okay, their premium hosting plan for $299 allows you to host 100 websites, get 100 gig of SSD storage, a free domain name, weekly website backup in case something goes wrong, and unlimited free SSL certificates to protect your website. Honestly, their premium plan is more than enough for a new online business, so I'm going to choose this plan. Now on the cart page, you see under period that the price of $299 applies only to the 48-month period. You can choose to pay yearly, but you'll be paying around $11.99 per month instead. Also, the price you are seeing here will renew after 3 years for $7.99 instead of $299. So keep that in mind. However, if you follow everything to the letter in this course, I am confident you will happily pay the $7.99 monthly fee when your business starts booming. Going for the 48-month plan allows you to save over $430, so this plan is a no-brainer for me. Now remember, anytime you want to pay for a digital service online, always look for coupon codes first. Since we are currently in December and their Black Friday offer closes in 3 days, I'm going to enter the Black Friday coupon code I found online to see if I can get additional discount on top of what has already been discounted. Look at that, I've managed to save an extra $7. I know it isn't much, but why not save as much as possible when I can? I'll click continue to proceed to the checkout page. You can see we are getting a lot of features for what we are paying for. Fill in your billing details, click continue, and choose a payment method to complete your purchase. Now I just paid for this hosting a few hours ago. I didn't show my screen for privacy reasons, so I'll quickly go to my email to show you the payment confirmation. This is the payment confirmation email, and normally it comes with your account details, order number, HTML details, and so on, especially if you are new to Hostinga, which I'm not anyway. I'll go back to my Hostinga dashboard and scroll down to claim the free domain Hostinga promised us. Click on claim domain, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to choose the perfect domain name for your new online business. See you there.